Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am making this beautiful pretty daisy flower. You can use this flower as embellishment in any kind of thing like hairbands or blankets, baby blankets or cap or on sweaters. So let's get started with me. I'm using decor yarn with a 3 mm hook. You can use any yarn with a corresponding hook. For this, first make magic circle, or if you don't like to make magic circle, you can start with a chain 3 and make small ring with chain 3 and work in that circle. I'm using this method. First I make magic circle, then chain 3 like this. Now I will make 11 more DCs in the circle. As you can see, there are 12 petals. You can make 10 petal flower or 8 petal flower. For 10 petals you will make 10 DCs, and for 8 petals you will make 8 DCs in the magic circle. Now DC, I will meet you after completing all 12 DCs in the magic circle, including this chain 3. Now you can see that I have made 3 chains and 11 DCs because these 3 chains will consider as first DC. I will slip stitch here and I will cut yarn here. See, a small circle is ready for a 12 petal flower. Now I will join the white yarn here, make a slip knot like this and join in any stitch like this. Now make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now skip first chain and HTC in the next chain and HTC in the next chain. 3 chains are remaining. Now I will make DCs in these 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now slip stitch in the next stitch like this. Chain 6 again for the next petal. 3, 4, 5, 6. HTC in the second chain, HTC in the next chain. Now see, in the second petal we will repeat the same method. Skip first chain, HTC in the next chain, HTC in this chain and 3 DCs in the remaining 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. Here again chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will repeat the same method for all 12 petals. I will meet you after completing this. Now you can see the last petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 HTC in the second chain from the hook, HTC in the next chain, DC in the next chain, now slip stitch in the first stitch like this, where we attach our yarn in this stitch. Now cut the yarn here, see, beautiful daisy flowers are ready. You can make 12 petal flower or a 10 petal by decreasing the number of DCs in the magic circle. If you like my video, then please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.